Hi everyone! Today I want to share some of my thoughts after my recent trip into the US. The large part of CENOS simulation software custom portfolio is based in Germany, where induction heating industry is dominated by mid-sized companies serving the needs of automotive industry already for several generations. When I was planning my trip to the US, I imagined to find North American induction heating market to be about the same. But I found the reality to be a bit different. Well, a couple of companies I visited, like the one in Ohio, are also in the heat treat business for about a century. But the majority of them can be divided into two types of companies. One kind is a small shop led by a talented coil designer with a huge experience. I call them trailblazers or veterans. Their hands are greasy because they are building amazing hardening coils, just based on their experience. And simulation for them seems to be unnecessary luxury. They are real induction superheroes, building perfect coils even without having a power converter to test them out in their shops. But time by time, they also get faulty or underperforming induction coils returned back from their customers, or even struggle to convince bigger automotive companies to place an order based solely on trust to their years of experience. And of course, it's super difficult for them to scale their business because nobody else knows their job as good as they do. While I was really impressed with their talent, I was talking to these veterans, trying to convince them that simulation is not a luxury nowadays, but modern design instrument that helps in daily business. CENOS is very focused and therefore super easy to use software. And moreover, we provide onboarding training so that it's easy to catch up with the 21st century simulation technology. The second type of companies I met are startup type companies. They are super ambitious and hungry. Automotive industry is not enough for them anymore. Let's take the one in New York. They are constantly looking for new induction applications in biomedical fields, in jewelry, and even I cannot imagine which one industry they will take the next. When a new solution is presenting to them, they are immediately interested to try it, because they are always looking for ways to improve their operation performance. Such companies are constantly challenging software developers like us, but it's such a joy to help them to get in the new markets. I'm happy to share these thoughts. Super excited to see how simulation software helps induction heating industry to grow. And of course, we at CENOS commit ourselves to work further, liberating simulation software to make it affordable to every company, either it's 100-year-old business, or induction veterans, or even ambitious startup companies.